Arpeggios, Josh Groban's beautiful voice, and let's play along with O Holy Night. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Here every Thursday I upload new piano tutorials, and also on Mondays you can check out meditation instrumental videos as well. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Let's jump straight into it using arpeggios over the black keys, so make sure your hands are going right into the keys and over their positions wherever we're going. Watch that you don't hang out here and then lunge for the black keys. Instead, keep your hand right over the position. So let's play these easy arpeggios today in their very basic positions and using 3 little beats. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to float this hand over to the top one and then back down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, float over and back down. And we'll do that little pattern twice for the introduction, and then we're straight into the words O Holy Night. So Josh Groban is playing the beat at approximately 50 beats per minute. But if we're playing our 3 notes, then we want these to equal 1:150 on our metronome. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that's too fast for you to play along with his recording, which I'll link down below, let's slow it back to 120, and then maybe even every few days you can notch that up again, 120, 130, 140, until you're ready to match his version as well. So let's jump straight into the chord changes now, starting back on that original B pattern. After we have the introduction, let's play that again now. Float over, 2, 3, 1, 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we are up to our first B pattern, which we will then do another 2 times. Just going to keep repeating that bottom note down there. E pattern then, back to the B. B 2 times, again 3rd time. F sharp pattern, all the black keys there, back to our B again. And then long as we go. E again. 2 B's again. Now all the black keys, D sharp, A sharp, back to D sharp. That beautiful minor there. Then F sharp again. 2 times. B 2 times. All again. F sharp. And B 2 times again. So then we reach 109 on the recording, which is fall on your knees, that beautiful section. So have a run of all that first part again if you like. And then we go into the fall on your knees with a G sharp minor 2 times. D sharp minor 2 play the first 5 notes. We're going to leave off the 6th note there. So 1, 2, 3. All night when Christ was born. So let's do that bit again. Now we reach our big climax of O Night Divine. So our left hand is going to just play the 3 little notes there. And on the O Night Divine, we're going to do that with that right hand leading the pattern there. So let's go from the F sharp again. 1, 2 together on that one, on the A sharp. Then Divine. So Divine comes on then 201 with Josh Groban. Then there's a little bit of an interlude, and if you want to keep going back to the start with the verse material, then verse 2 continues at 222. One more easy way just to practice that through as well is if you're wanting to just get your hands over the position and just block the chords out. And you can just hold them for the 6, play them again, hold for the 6. Take that time then to move your hand to the next 6 little counts and back again. But let's put that all together into a bit of a run through now. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great week. Happy music making and ta-da.